So, this is gonna be my OOTD for the next few minutes you see me because I won't be leaving until like later on, so I'll change it later. But this is my outfit. This is my Christmas shirt, my Christmas PJs, and then my cute pink slippers I got for my birthday. But yeah, I had an amazing birthday. But I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit and show y'all like a little cleanup and then a little room tour so y'all can see the Christmas vibe. Let's clean up a little bit. So I'm trying to put y'all somewhere y'all can see me. So I use this to do the curls in my hair. This is like leggings that I didn't want anymore, and I just use this, and it actually works. So I'm gonna just keep it and use it just for my curls on my hair. This is what it looks like in the back. Let's see. Can you see? So let's get into cleaning. Okay, Blues, so I got this Christmas blanket for my birthday, and it's super cute. So I put this on the edge of my bed, and I put it on this side. So I put it on the edge of my bed. I put it on the edge of my bed right here. And what I do next is I got this from Target in the dollar spot. Oh, it's, you know, like the Target spot. And it's a wood tray, and it was for $5. It says North Pole Blend. Oh, you can't see me. North Pole Blend hot cocoa served here. So I saw this idea on not TikTok, Pinterest. So you get this, and then you put it like on the edge of the bed, and then you get like a candle, and then you get something else. But I don't remember what else they use. But this is a candle my dad got me for my birthday. It's from Walmart. It's the Campfire Snow, and it smells really, really good. It smells really, really good. So, smell it. It smells delicious. So this is like my little candle I use. Let me show ya. So that's what my bed looks like. That's what my bed looks like with my blanket, my little tray with the candle. I gotta add something else to it, but I gotta look again on Pinterest. And then I got this Target pillow. It's a little Christmas tree. It's so cute. It was like what, $10, $5. And then my sheets that I've gotten from Target. I think it's like 2 years ago I got this, and I love them. They're so comfortable. And then I got this little green pillowcase on Amazon. So I love the vibes. And then with my white little comforter. So now I'm gonna do the lights on here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick because it's super cute. And then I'm gonna show y'all all my nutcrackers in my room because y'all know, Blues, I love nutcrackers, and it's like my favorite like little like specialty for Christmas is the nutcrackers because it's like they melt my heart. So I'm gonna show y'all me doing my lights for my mirror, and I got these from Dollar Tree. Right there, looks cute. Hey, Booze! But yeah, it's a little something cute. I need to fix that side, really. Let's fix it. It's bothering me. Because one side was different from there. Oh well. But now I'm gonna show. Oh, look at my little balloons. Look at Molly Ray. She wants to leave. Okay, Molly Ray, you have to hurry up. So this is my Christmas tree of this year. It's super cute. I did some ribbon on it. And I have my cute little L's with the little present. I did something really cute. You know, all the little ornaments. So that's my big tree for this year in my room. Something cute and simple. And then I have another tree I put up. Is a pink tree. And you see all my nutcrackers. I need to turn on my light actually. On my candle actually. But yeah, this is my little tree. And I put a little bit of ornament. Something simple and cute and aesthetic. That's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of my nutcrackers. So I have this little nutcracker I had for many, many years. I love nutcrackers. So I have this little tin can. I have this little tree and my candle. It says from Bath and Body Works, and it smells really, really good. I definitely recommend you getting this for your room or for your house. It's the perfect Christmas and it smells delicious. Then here is my nutcrackers. They're so cute. And then I have a little globe right here. It has Santa in it, so I just get that on the side. And this is my little like lamp for now because that's all my little trees on. So that's my tree. This is the little side. And then you have my big Christmas tree with the little snow. And then I have another nutcracker right here. He's so cute. And I'm watching Falling for Christmas, I think. It's with Lindsay Lohan. It's the new Netflix movie. It's so good. And then I have, it goes right here, another nutcracker. It's so cute. You can tell I love nutcrackers. And then right here I have my very first one. It's like really old, but I love it. I love nutcrackers, so that's my very first one right there. And then I have this little section of my little guards. So let me show y'all. I have these little glass Christmas trees I got last year from Target, and I just set them up. And then I have my cute little mug. And then I have this little turtle that my boyfriend got me. But yeah, so let me show y'all. I have these nutcrackers. They're so cute. And then I got these little wood sticks from Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to make it look like a little forest. And it's not on my candle actually, but. And then I have this little candle that my mom got me from HEB. And it's a candy cane. It smells really good. But I haven't lit that yet. So I'll lit that when my other candles are out. But yeah, it's my little cute little set. I went really simple this year, very clean and aesthetic, but you know I love my nutcrackers. I always gotta have them out, so I did some type of little theme right there. But I also need to put some little bit of puff balls because my vanity lights are coming off because they're not sticking anymore. So I'm gonna put some little puff balls right here on my vanity. Yeah, this is literally like all of my room. It's really cute and simple. And I love it. I haven't even started Christmas shopping yet. So I gotta fix this. Don't mind this. He lost his arm. Honestly, I gotta put it back together. But it's okay. So don't mind that. So yeah, I have these little nutcrackers. Super cute. And then I have a little jar with some chocolate. So whoever wants to go in my room and want a piece of chocolate. They're from the Christmas Vacation movie. So they're little crisp chocolates. And then I have this candle I got also from Target. It's a new one. It's Ho 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 with peppermint sprinkles. And it smells really good, but I don't lit it. I just have it for decoration. And you know me, Booze. I always have this every year. I think I had it for like, what, 2 years already? It's really cute. I use it for fall and winter. It's cuddle weather. So I have that little section right there. Sometimes I put candy cane lights right here, but I haven't done that yet. But I'll probably do that later on today. I love nutcrackers everywhere watching me and protecting me, honestly, lol. But yeah, I really need to find something else to put here. I know there's something else I can put, but it's not clicking. I need to look at Pinterest because I get a lot of videos, ideas on Pinterest and TikTok. So I'm really loving my hair today. It's really cute. I really want to take an Instagram photo. Maybe, right? And I did a little bit shopping for my boyfriend and my mom. So I have some presents on the side. I can't really show y'all the side of my room because they're gonna know. So I can't show y'all, right? So yeah, my room's so cozy. I need to light my candle right now. And it's almost, oh, she can't see me. It's almost out. And I'm like pretty sad because this smells really good. I'm waiting for the Bath and Body Works to come out with their candle sale. You know, when it goes like really cheap. So, oh, okay, yeah, I got it. The candle is lit, and I put it off to the side. And that's super cute. And I usually have my lights like really low. And let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my room when it's dark. So this is what my room looks like. That's what it looks like. Super cute. My vanity light, honestly, but I'm really cozy. and I love the vibes of my room. I'm gonna show y'all what I got for my birthday. I'm gonna show y'all the lip because I don't know what the rest of the stuff is at. But I'm gonna show you. I got this cute puffer jacket. It's a really cropped one. It's like a light icy gray, and it's from Forever 21. So you already know I'm gonna take some cute pictures in this. Super, super cute. This robe. So when I get out the shower in the morning with my coffee, it's so comfortable. So yeah, this is the robe I got. It's like a cream white, really comfortable, and I love it. And my hair's already all over it. So let me take that out. But yeah, I got this little robe, and I got this purse. It's the Toy Birch cream purse. So if you want like a what's my purse video, it's a crossbody. And I'll show you a video of what's inside my purse, honestly, because I fit a lot, because you know me, I'm like always sucking. So yeah, I got this for my birthday. What else? I got candles, I got some snacks, and I got some perfume. Let me show y'all. I got this Ariana Grande one. It smells delicious. Let me put this on. I'm gonna wear it tonight. But yeah, I love this one. And then this I got snacks and I got some lip glosses and stuff like that. And I'm really, really thankful I got some goodies for my birthday. So follow me on my Instagram because I post some pictures. So definitely follow me there, and TikTok because I'm always on there also. We're doing some type of videos. If I'm not on here, I'm on there, honestly. So let me fix my hair again because it's getting like stuck. So watch me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see the volume. Yes, ma'am. Here it is. Hey, boos. I am back, and I want to show y'all some goodies I got when I went a little bit of shopping. So I'm going on a trip in like a few weeks, in 2 weeks maybe. So I want to show y'all real quick what I got from the store. So I got these boots. Aren't these fabulous? I had to get these. These are from Walmart, honestly. They're from the Madden collection, so it's like kind of like Steve Madden, but just a cheaper alternative. But these are the boots I got. They're super, super cute. I didn't have any like really good boots this year, so I'm like, I need to go shopping for more boots. So I got some more shoes. Boots. I don't have boots like this, like a slip-on, and they have a little bit of diamonds on it. Let me show y'all. It has a little bit of diamonds on it, and they're super cute. You see? And they're like zipped. That's what it looks like, and I'm so excited. I'm sure up close to my diamond ones. These are so pretty. They're cute for like birthday, going out with your friends, Christmas Eve, maybe for Halloween, like the little outfit you're gonna wear. But I saw these. I had to get these. Super cute. Give y'all a little haul from Walmart. I got some hot fries because your girl was craving some. Some Tootsie Rolls because you know me, I love Tootsie Rolls. Oreos, holiday ones, and then some Nerd gummy clusters because those are my favorites. And I have more clothing items I'll probably do in another video, but let me show you all this lip gloss I got from Ulta that it's so freaking bomb. And I think it was like, what, under $10. Let me put y'all on real quick. Let me get my purse. And I put on my new little reindeer for my hand sanitizer. And it's in my little case right here. And it's this lip gloss. It's the Ulta Beauty Tinted Juice and Fume. And it's in the shade Buff Babe. Let me put it on for y'all real quick. That's what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty. It's a nude gloss. It's really, really pretty. It has types of sparkles in it. If y'all can see in there. And it's lip oil, so it kind of like hydrates your lips a little bit, and that's what I freaking love. Face this so y'all can see. It's really, really pretty and long lasting, honestly, and I love it. I saw it on TikTok because some girl got it, and it looked really, really pretty on her lips, so I decided to get it, and I've been loving it, honestly. So I've been putting on that lip oil like quite a lot. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I got because I went to a ballet show. Like yesterday I went to a ballet show and I got these cute little items. In my city they had a show, so it was the Nutcracker. You know me, I love Nutcrackers. They're like my favorite when it comes to Christmas. I like to have them like everywhere. So I got this little mouse. It's a little like ornament, but it was so cute. They were selling some like gift stuff, and I decided to get a little mouse for my room because I want a little mouse. It's super cute. Like, I'm really loving like just the little dainty thing. I got myself a snow globe. The Nutcracker Ballet. It has a little girl holding a nutcracker. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. I guess I can show y'all a little bit what I got for my trip. You want to see my OOTD? This is a shirt I got from Target a while back. And I'm wearing some leggings that are flare at the bottom because they're so comfortable because it's kind of chilly outside. So, okay, I'm going to show you all 2 items I got for my trip. So, I did get this vest puffer jacket at Forever 21 because I don't have a vest puffer jacket and they've been trending recently. So, I got this black one. It comes with a hood. So, if you unzip it, like right here, it comes with a nice little hood. So, super, super cute. I'm excited to wear that. And then I got some pajamas to wear. So I got these from Old Navy. They're so cute. I love the colors. It's like white and like a taupey nude color. So I got me some pajama pants. I definitely need to get like a bag for a carry-on because I don't have one. So I'm definitely looking for a bag for that. But yeah, so I just want to show y'all what I got. I really, really want to make a video for y'all so y'all can see me going, preparing for my trip and stuff like that. And show you, I don't know if I showed y'all. I got these little shoes at the mall. I think I did from JCPenney's. And I learned them today because they're so nice. They're my little, what are they called? Like loafers? They're like the dupe for the Birkenstocks. They're from JCPenney's and I got them for $15. You know me, I love a bargain, but I've been wearing them today and they're really, really comfortable. Really cute with my outfit, just, you know, a casual. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!